So here we are, Galleon Marina, Front Street, Key West, Florida. We're going to give you a quick tour of the amenities that they offer. Come on along with us. Look at these little critters. So cute.
Wow, they're probably like a day old.
Look at those little Key West chicks. Mama, careful. They're like, you got any food for us? Unfortunately, we don't. It's another beautiful afternoon after a kind of rough morning here in Key West. It warmed up a little bit, so we're not freezing.
Got your shorts on.
Got shorts on, short sleeve shirt. It is a little chilly in the shade. Sorry for the rest of you people freezing your tushes off. Clear skies. Very little wind. So it's going to be a beautiful night. They have timeshares, they have rentals. We'll show you the pool. They have bars, they have restaurants. We're going to show you all that. But first, let's go up here. One of our favorite things to do here when we're downtown walking around is, hopefully we'll be able to see it pretty good. Yes. Look at this. This fish tank is beautiful. They got all kinds of different colors and things going on. So we always stop by here to look and see what's going on because they change the fish out sometimes too. So we get to see new things. I see you, you little bugger. Right. Hang on. Oh, he's hiding. He's being shy. Oh, there he is. Oh, he just spit out some sand. He's making his little nest. They have a little lounge area here with fans and a TV. And they have a beautiful heated pool, which looks directly out at the water.
Oh, there goes a boat.
Yep.
Oh, that looks like the When and If.
Nope.
No?
That is not the When and If. That's
Oh,
the
shucks. Okay.
schooner going out for a sunset tour. But yeah, it's beautiful down here.
Looks like the beach closes at 10 p.m.
Here's the Tiki Bar at the Galleon. They have a great sunset and good drinks. And you can see that the view is awesome. This is the boardwalk right here. That out there is Tank Island. Over there behind those boats is Sunset Key. And we're going to go this way, see all the great apartments and condos and things they offer. So across the way, that's all Coast Guard Station. There's another catamaran getting ready to go out on a sunset tour. There's the Jolly Rogers, that sailboat right there, the green one with the red sails. They have a cannon that they might be firing off here shortly. So it startles a lot of people because it's pretty loud, but it's pretty cool.
They do that at sunset though, right?
Yeah, sometime around now. I don't know when.
What we got going on, TJ? We got this air conditioning pump we're changing out, and it is conveniently located under, I guess this is a mount for all of the chillers and stuff. So yeah, a lot of room to work with today.
Let's see. All right, so we got the old pump out. We had to take apart a few things to get it out. We're working on getting the new pump all fitted and ready to go. TJ's up here supervising as usual.
Supervising, I need my coffee.
And yeah, he needs his
Coffee and clipboard.
Coffee and clipboard. But yeah, this is running pretty smoothly. So we got the pump all mounted, and we primed it by just opening the seacock a little bit and watching water flow out of this spout right here. Now we're just getting all the hoses tightened down and all hooked up. And we're gonna move on to the wiring, good and ready to go, and then we're gonna fire it up, see if it works, do an op check, and then we should be all set.
Come down here, watch the world go by. The view's not too shabby. So let me know if you guys would like to stay here. You can check out the website. It's Galleon Key West. Make reservations on there, and we recommend it. If you want to be right downtown Key West, Duval Street is just 2 blocks that way. So you're right in the middle of everything. This is the place to stay. So this is for Galleon guests only, and it's a fishing pier. The breakwater right here, how rough it is out here with the wind compared to what it looks like inside the harbor. The fishing here can be pretty good because these channels, a lot of water and bait fish and stuff rip through here, so a lot of people fish here. All right, we're gonna continue down the boardwalk. We're gonna show you, I don't know what you would call it, the little gelato hut, the little hut they have down there where they make all the gelato. And there's also the Pirates Cove restaurant down there, and the Dockmaster's office is right down here. Come on with me. Look at this guy right here. From there, where the wind is blowing, because the wind's coming from the north kind of right now, the marina here has 91 slips, but you can see how protected it is. It's very common there. So a lot of times when the weather's rough, we have good weather for the boaters that are anchored up in the slips. So they can handle up to 150-foot yachts in here. I don't know how many they can take, but there is room out there for them. They have shore power, water, Wi-Fi. So they have anything you need, really. They have showers available. They have a sauna. They have laundries available. Jet skis right here. You can see all the jet skis lined up, ready to go.
Not many out today.
No, I wouldn't want to be out today on a jet ski. That'd be a little sporty and chilly. It's definitely here in the shade. It's definitely getting a little chilly. Might have to break out my vest pretty soon. He's a beauty.
Haha, he is a beauty.
I love that.
He doesn't like this
I
dog.
appreciate you guys what y'all done.
Yeah, thank you.
Fixing that was it was a challenge. So, but let's hop down and I'm going to take you a look at your bow thrusters. I don't know what I can do, but we're going to take a look. All right, let's see here. Let's go ahead and turn your stuff on here. All you should have to do is push that button right there.
Oh.
Okay. So you just have to hold that button down longer.
Okay.
Okay.
That's what it was.
This
I
one right
figured
there.
it's made. I figured it's made.
Yep. And it's working. It's moving the boat around.
It'll
so-
automatically shut off in a few seconds, right?
Yeah,
Y-
you're
yeah,
moving
if
the
you check-
water.
Yeah, we're moving water.
Yeah.
Okay, so shut it off.
Okay.
Okay, and then I'm going to have you do it. Okay, turn them back on. Now hold that gray button down right there. Okay, let go of the gray button. Push the gray button again. Not a bunch of work. We just got the trim tabs working and the indicators working, but we got it and got it done. He told me that he's having problems with his bow thruster. I think the engines need to run and charge the batteries up, and then it'll work for him. So I showed him how to use it. He's like, okay.
How funny that we see him on our stroll for our Galleon video, and I
Yeah.
notice him pull up
Yeah, actually,
and tell you.
yeah,
yeah.
we ran into him down here. He's one of our clients. Another
Do you want
client
to
over
go down
across
here?
the
I
way.
see some fishermen over here.
If you want.
I see
Greg,
Eva Marie.
maybe? Eva Marie.
Yeah.
Yeah, sure. Let's go.
We're putting in the sea strainer
Sea strainer that I
right
broke.
here for the generator.
When I was taking off the hoses off that generator, the nipple off the old strainer that went on that wall broke right off with it.
Nice plastic deal.
Nice, very nice plastic deal. So now we're beefing it up a little bit so that won't happen again. How's it going, TJ?
Enjoying the sunshine.
Lack thereof.
Yeah.
Very cloudy out.
Still warm.
That's very warm.
Still nice.
So we got mounts all hooked up, mounted up. Just waiting for TJ's slow self to get those connectors.
Hey.
Get the hoses all hooked up, and then we'll get it mounted to the wall.
I don't feel like you're in any position to be talking smack there, buddy.
How so?
Who broke the sea strainer?
I mean, yeah, it was an accident though.
Oh, here's a cute low tug.
Yep.
We just recently worked on a bigger tug
Yep.
last week.
Hey, how are you?
Hi,
Hey, buddy.
how are you?
Coming down to get the fishing report. We're filming.
Hey, darling.
Hi.
So
We're filming.
No cuss
How are you,
words.
Greg?
No
Great.
cuss words.
We got a few snappers.
Oh,
in
look
there.
at this.
Oh, nice.
Hey, gentlemen, how are you?
Hi, how are you?
Oh, beautiful. Wow.
Well,
Beauties.
they're mild.
Nice.
Wow, look at that. That's a beauty of mutton.
Generally,
So let me introduce you. Captain Greg,
She ended up,
hello.
what boats you got? And
the goat.
I think
salty
you're
goat.
responsible for that, right?
Responsible for that today. A little private charter with these guys. So,
Yep.
yeah, it was a really good day.
Yeah,
Cool.
this guy knows what he's doing. It's kind of rough.
I try hard.
Yeah, so you did beautiful.
Thank
Nice.
you. Thank you.
Looks good.
Be sure to look him up at the Galleon.
Yep,
That's right. Salty goat, Eva Marie.
yep. Got Salty Goat over there and Eva Marie over there. Yeah. So this is Adam. This is Pops. Ran good, except we got a little temperature problem, right?
Warmed up a little bit. Anything above 2,500.
Okay. Let's go see if Moose is here. Oh boy. Moose is here.
Come on in.
Moose. Good. We're getting old too.
But you guys look the same.
No, we don't.
Yeah, where are the old guys?
I'll tell you what happened to me. I've had a rough couple of weeks, so
Oh, physically?
yeah.
Oh,
Yeah.
not bad, is it?
No, well, I'll tell you. I'll fill you in.
Please.
I'll come see you.
Recovering.
See you guys. Yep.
See you. Yes. Take care, guys. Hey, what are you doing with that trash?
Oh, I'm taking it out for Moose.
Oh,
Just what I do. They're my old folks. I got to take care of them. All right, guys. See you later. I need to get that over to the yard. We got to do a
Yep.
service on that.
here's the Eva Marie
Yep.
that Greg was telling us about that he owns here at the Galleon. And he also has the Salty Goat, which we've shown that one many times too. We mentioned the Salty Goat. I don't see the boat, but here's the sign. So, oh, it's down too. That's where it is, where Greg is cutting up the fish right now. There's Captain Dan's fishing charters down there at the end. So let's see what Matt has to say about him falling apart the last couple weeks.
One, I had some kind of lung infection or something, and it turned into some kind of bacterial infection, and it's been a struggle. I have a little bit of cough still, but I think I'm on the mend. And then the other day, I've had a trick hip for years, and I was getting on a boat, and all of a sudden, I don't know what I did, but my right hip, all of a sudden, just extremely painful. I could barely function, to be honest with you. I couldn't really walk around any. I've been going to see the chiropractor about that, and I'm doing much better. And I hope to be back up on my feet come Monday and running the docks and doing everything. Here's Greg cleaning fish that he caught today on a private charter. But that's his boat right there, the Salty Goat. Nice lane snappers, yeah, jumbos. That's a nice one, yeah.
Looks like a good sandwich.
How much does that mutton weigh right there, Greg, that big one?
Probably 82 pounds.
Yeah, he's a beauty. Somebody's gonna be eating good.
Oh, look at that pelican. He wished he was eating good.
You might get some later. All right, we'll catch you guys later.
All right, buddy. We'll see you.
Take care.
See you. Take care.
I got another guy gonna take a look at it.
Here
so-
comes Moosey and Kathy passing by.
All right, yeah, look at the fish. How are you?
Yeah, look at the fish. No, we didn't get very far. Whew. Whew. It's getting chilly.
Bye.
All right, see you guys
Enjoy
later.
dinner, guys.
So here's one of our boats, Blue Heron right here. We take care of that. If you look up top, you see just behind the radar array where it says Garmin, you see that little flat panel. That's the
Starling.
Starlink that we put up for them, and it's been working great. And then here we have Pirates Cove. They have food and drinks here. Get whatever you want. It says try their famous rum punch.
And then, of course, the dockmaster's office is right over there.
Oh, you want to go see if who's in there? Go say
Yeah,
hi.
hopefully Corey.
Hi, how are you?
How
Good,
are
good.
you? Here's the dockmaster's office.
Oh, it's the new guy. I don't
And
know.
here's the menu for the Pirates Cove.
Yep. There's a new pilot boat. You guys might have seen in a past video. We took the old pilot boat out and rigged it for travel, and they downloaded this one and got it in the water. And this is Pirates Booty. They have homemade chelada, they have coffee, they have beer, they have all kinds of bait. Yeah, kind of a one-stop shop for down here, so you can grab what you need if you're out in the boat. And it's right next to the Pirates Cove restaurant, which is right there. Now we're gonna head down here. Got some work to do on this old girl right here, this Hatteras. Had a bunch of light problems. They went from halogen, I'm sorry, to LEDs, and I have a feeling that there's some compatibility issues. All right, well that concludes our walking tour of the Galleon. If you have any questions, just look them up online or contact us. Ask us. We're here every day almost. We really appreciate your support on our channel. If you can subscribe, give us thumbs up, or leave us comments. We love all that. We love getting back to you guys and seeing what you're thinking. So thank you very much for the support. If you all like this video about the Galleon walkthrough, stick around. We're going to have more for you, and we'll get around and show you some other marinas here in Key West. We'll go from here, downtown Key West, all the way over to Stock Island, and maybe a little bit up the Keys. So stand by for those videos. Hope you enjoyed it.